South Korea is a newer explorer of space, but its missions are already revealing mysteries scientists still struggle to explain. What secrets might be hidden in South Korea's view of the universe? South Korea's space research is led by the Korea Aerospace Research Institute. In recent years, Korean scientists have launched satellites and deep space missions to study the moon and distant objects. Their goal is not only exploration, but understanding how the solar system formed. Yet even early missions have raised difficult questions. South Korea's first lunar mission, Danuri, began mapping the moon in detail. Its instruments study surface composition and terrain. Some regions appear more complex than expected. Layers of rock suggest a long and violent history. Ancient impacts, volcanic activity, and shifting crust. Scientists continue analyzing the data. The moon still holds clues to the early solar system, but many details remain uncertain. Danuri studies permanently shadowed regions near the lunar poles. These areas never receive sunlight. Temperatures remain extremely low. Scientists suspect frozen water may exist there, but the exact amount is unknown. Some models predict large ice deposits. Others suggest only thin layers. Hidden ice could preserve ancient records from billions of years ago. The moon may contain a frozen archive of solar system history. Danuri carries a special camera designed to study polarized light. Polarized light reveals properties of surface materials. Early results suggest unexpected variations. Some areas reflect light differently than predicted. This may indicate unusual grain sizes or unknown surface processes. Scientists continue investigating. Even the moon's dust still holds secrets. South Korean satellites measure radiation in space. High-energy particles constantly flow through the solar system. Most originate from the sun, others from distant galaxies. But radiation levels sometimes change unexpectedly. Solar storms explain many variations, yet some patterns remain difficult to predict. Space weather still contains unknowns. Understanding these particles is essential for future exploration, but the system remains complex. South Korea's lunar research connects to a deeper mystery. How did planets form? The moon preserves ancient material, older than most rocks on Earth. These records help scientists reconstruct early history. But competing models still exist. Did the moon form from a giant impact, or through more complex processes? Evidence continues to accumulate, yet the full story remains incomplete. South Korea's space research is still growing. New missions are planned. More instruments will explore deeper into space. But early discoveries already reveal a pattern. The universe is more complex than expected. Even nearby worlds remain mysterious. South Korea's space exploration shows something important. You do not need decades of missions to find mysteries. Even the first steps into space reveal questions. Hidden ice, strange reflections, ancient records, unknown patterns. The deeper humanity explores the universe, the more we discover one truth. Space is not only vast, it is still largely unknown.